just right. I'm the HVAC hero battling the breeze, fixing every system, putting minds at ease. When the world's too hot or the world's too cold, I'm the warrior of air, keeping comfort bold. Filters clogging up dust in every crack. Motors hum a weary song, I bring them back. Freon's running low, pressure's on my mind, but I'll solve the mystery, no duck left behind. I'm the HVAC hero battling the breeze, fixing every system, putting minds at ease. When the world's too hot or the world's too cold, I'm the warrior of air, keeping comfort bold. Vents are breathing easy now, singing my song. Every room's a haven, it won't be long. They call me in the chaos when it's all gone wrong, but I'll hold the line steady, I'm where I belong. Thermostat's in charge, I tune it to the beat. Sweat and frost surrender when they feel my heat. From basements to the skies, I've got the perfect flow. No challenge too tall, no duck too low. No wall below. Thermostat's in charge, I tune it to the beat. Sweat and frost surrender when they feel my heat. From basements to the skies, I've got the perfect flow. No challenge too tall, no duck too low. Oh, challenge too tall, no duck too